Okay. One of the bigger, less fortunate times here where it's finally time to drop this thing. Ready? Already got the back two out. Think we can break this without hurting ourselves here. Get that. Got the interesting version of the spring pack or shim pack. Alright, this thing's gonna fall, so watch yourselves, alright? The back is gonna fall. Oh, see, she's getting ready to come down. See if I can let this down just a little bit. There we go. Alright. Should be. Round the pop. Ready? And drop. Stuff in the back. What do I have stuff on the back? Alright, I'm gonna pause it. Alright, now we got it. And should be able to roll it right out with its own casters. All wrapped around the coil. And there we go. As you can see, there we go. The spring is still stuck in the frame. Crazy, crazy crap. Yeah. And let her on. Oh boy. Looks pretty naked now, don't you? Well, that's a pretty sad sight. Yay! Yay. Got it? Alright, run it all the way in.
That's what I'm trying to do. I want it all the way in.
Is it? Alright. I should give you a wrench.
Nice.
Try it now. Can you run it all the way around? Look at that.
How much more does it have to be on?
Oh, I don't know. Just keep going. Just keep going.
Until it hits that?
Sure. Why not? I mean, after it's all assembled and I actually go to alignment, I'm going to have to take them all the way back off and count how many turns they go in so they're all even.
Do you have these on when it was actually up and running?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna need. That's the tie rod for the new control arms and steering arm. Right there. Okay, you good? Point it down. You good?
No, no, no.
What?
Not all the way
Oh,
on.
it's not all the way yet? Oh.
Now it is.
Oh, okay. Grab the other one. Can you do the other one?
Yeah.
Alright. Guess I can take my plumb bob off.
It needs to be farther on so it's all the way on. Since you didn't put the other bolt all the way on, I'm putting it all the way on.
Oh, okay. Sounds good to me, man. Alright, just start it by hand first. Always start it by hand first. That way you don't mess up the thread, see? Alright, pay attention. Put it on straight. You're nowhere near straight. Straight! Put it on straight.
I am.
You have it at a 45-degree angle. That's not straight.
This one is heavy.
It's heavy. Here. Here. Look. Put it on straight. I'll start a thread for you. 1, 2. I started the threads for you.
If I put that, I need to use the wrench.
Yeah, just spin it on up in there.
I need to hit the bolt.
You're good.
This one had to go a long way in.
Yeah, you gotta go a long way in. Be alright.
Very long way in on this one.
I mean, if you get tired, you don't really have to put it all the way in.
But that's what I'm doing. Why do you even use these on a red car?
Because we're putting actual nice parts on it this time. This thing had all stock stuff in the front. Probably should have done this. Should have done this a long time ago.
How much year this and before you got this? What year before you got this car?
When did I get the car?
Yeah.
I don't even remember. 2004, 5, something like that.
I went to maybe 2008.
No, I was racing it in 2008. We were probably in Maple Grove in 2008. Oh, that looks pretty good, man. I'd leave it just like that, man. Look at that. Like a pro. Hey. Hey. Good job, man.
Thank you.